Yeah. Hallelujah. This is a... Please turn and look over here every now and then, guys, with a smiling face. Yeah, that's good. There you go. There you go. That's what I'm looking for right there. Hallelujah. Shirley just has a smiling face over here. It's official.
Let the light shine in.
Yes. We need a tall guy over here. Yeah.
Look, there's a world outside of the store.
Yeah, I know. Look at this. It is official, folks.
I did.
Olive Oil Divine is open for business.
Hey, Lisa, guess what? The windows aren't clean.
Okay, I'm gonna go count Mary's guy.
You good?
Okay, there's one more piece.
One more in the corner, that's good.
Wow.
I'll get a hold of Mary's guy.
I'm gonna do this real quick, Greg. Wow.
Since what? January?
I can't actually get this.